Welcome to Arabic خطوات. This is our third day, or اليوم الثالث, from our journals, يومياتي في صف اللغة العربية. The topic for today's content has to do with الدراسة عن بعد, remote learning. I hope you were able to cover the two previous journals, and this week you will have a long list of vocabulary alongside some other Arabic phrases that are commonly used in conversational Arabic. You're also going to have an opportunity to practice, retain, and activate your comprehension skills. So let's begin. على بركة الله. All right, so let's begin by learning the meaning of the following vocab list. We have over 30 words that you can look at with phrases. We have adjectives, nouns, and so on. We will read as slowly as possible, and please make sure you articulate the sounds before we jump into reading the entire text. So we'll learn both Arabic and English. يلا على بركة الله. صعوبات صعوبات difficulties. سأجد سأجد I will find. أنا على دراية بأني أنا على دراية بأني I am aware that I عن بعد عن بعد remotely أتعلم أتعلم I learn قررت قررت I decided مشاكل مشاكل problems أتحدى أتحدى I challenge سرعة الإنترنت سرعة الإنترنت internet speed الخجل الخجل shyness القلق القلق concern or anxiety المستقبل المستقبل future نفسي نفسي myself أشارك أشارك I participate جودة الصوت جودة الصوت sound quality أشعر أشعر I feel دورات دورات sessions or semesters مكثفة مكثفة intensive سأحاول سأحاول I will try أتخطى أتخطى overcome العقبات العقبات obstacles أصل أصل I arrive أصبح أصبح I become متفوقة متفوقة successful كل كل each and every لكي لكي, in order to. تدريس, تدريس, teaching. هذه, هذه, this. لكن, لكن, but. أدرس, أدرس, I study. Here's my favorite part about learning new Arabic words. So, like we've done before in previous journals, if you have a new set of Arabic vocabulary, make sure you use them, activate them, use your notebook, write down the words that you don't know or you don't remember. Maybe you've read it before, but you are not able to articulate it. Go back to the audio and then start reading along. The example I put here is a combination of words I have in front of me, which is the verb أتعلم and then the word عن بعد or the phrase عن بعد, meaning remotely. So I said something like سأتعلم اللغة العربية عن بعد. I will learn the Arabic language remotely. You could add more words to this sentence and say, I will challenge myself. سأتحدى نفسي وأتعلم اللغة العربية. I will challenge myself and learn the Arabic language. And you could say something like, I don't face or find any difficulties in learning Arabic, or in the future I will learn Arabic. Make your sentences simple, but use the words you are learning. That way you remember the situation you're creating. So let's move on to reading now. يومياتي في صف اللغة العربية. اليوم الثالث. قررت أن أتعلم اللغة العربية عن بعد، وأنا على دراية بأني سأجد صعوبات مثل مشاكل في التكنولوجيا وسرعة الإنترنت وفي جودة الصوت. أشعر بالخجل والقلق عندما أدرس عن بعد، ولكن قررت أن أتحدى نفسي وأشارك في دورات مكثفة لتعلم اللغة العربية، وسأحاول أن أتخطى كل هذه العقبات لكي أصل لهدفي وأصبح متفوقة في دراستي للغة العربية وتدريسها في المستقبل. Now let's listen both in English and Arabic to review our vocabulary. We will read the text in English, then we will read it at a normal pace in Arabic. So let's begin. I decided to learn Arabic remotely, aware that I would find difficulties, such as problems with technology, internet speed, and sound quality. I feel shy and anxious when I study remotely, but I decided to challenge myself and participate in intensive courses to learn Arabic. I will overcome all these obstacles to reach my goal and become advanced in studying the Arabic language and teaching it in the future. Now the Arabic version at a normal pace. قررت أن أتعلم اللغة العربية عن بعد، وأنا على دراية بأني سأجد صعوبات مثل مشاكل في التكنولوجيا وسرعة الإنترنت وفي جودة الصوت. أشعر بالخجل والقلق عندما أدرس عن بعد، ولكن قررت أن أتحدى نفسي وأشارك في دورات مكثفة لتعلم اللغة العربية، وسأحاول أن أتخطى كل هذه العقبات لكي أصل لهدفي وأصبح متفوقة في دراستي للغة العربية وتدريسها في المستقبل. Alright, so after we listen to the text at a normal pace, both in English and Arabic, we also have encountered the vocab with its English translation. It's about time now to find a translation to the following Arabic vocab list. We have put them in this chart so you can see the verbs and the nouns and adjectives and some other phrases. All you have to do is make sure you're taking notes, pause at this stage, look at the words. You can go color by color until you determine which category you have acquired. And of course, you go back to the text to listen to it one more time. Now let's move on to the comprehension part. Now here is the comprehension question list. We have about 4 Arabic questions. I will read them slowly. Use the comment section or your notebook if you are part of Arabic Khatawat classes or you're using this with your instructor. Make sure you write down your answers, look at them, go back to the text and check. So the first question is أين تدرس الطالبة؟ أين تدرس الطالبة؟ Second, هل وجدت الطالبة مشاكل في دراستها؟ هل وجدت الطالبة مشاكل في دراستها؟ Third, ما هي هذه المشاكل؟ ما هي هذه المشاكل؟ Fourth, ما هو هدف الطالبة؟ ما هو هدف الطالبة؟ You might receive different instructions from your teacher or your instructor or your ustad and ustada. Remember that there are multiple ways you can paraphrase the question and then you will give the exact same answer. So the first example over here, I'm saying هل تدرس اللغة العربية عن بعد? So I'm addressing you, and then if you're having a conversation with your instructor, your classmates, you might use the content of today's journal differently. So consider asking each other questions like this. هل تدرس اللغة العربية عن بعد؟ هل تواجه أي صعوبات وما هي؟ هل قررت دراسة لغة أجنبية وما هي؟ You can also participate in the comment section or email your responses to Arabic Khatawat and think about, are you studying Arabic remotely? Do you face any issues or obstacles or difficulties? What are they? And have you decided to learn a foreign language? What is it? So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, you will have a list of Arabic vocabulary to review, and you can look at that at the end of this video. So I'll see you inshallah in the upcoming sessions. Assalamu alaikum. Listen and repeat. صعوبات مشاكل نفسي سأحاول كل سأجد أتحدى أشارك أتخطى لكي أنا على دراية بأني سرعة الإنترنت جودة الصوت العقبات. تدريس. عن بعد. الخجل. أشعر. أصل. هذه. أتعلم. القلق. دورات. أصبح. لكن. قررت. المستقبل. مكثفة. متفوقة. الدروس.